Hey friends, welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom. I'm happy you're here today. In this episode, we're talking about small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversations. We use small talk every day. At work, in shops, at the gym, on the bus, anywhere. Today I will teach you 100 useful small talk starters. Simple sentences. Easy English. Very natural. You will learn what small talk is, why it is important, how to use it in real life. I speak slowly and clearly. I repeat important ideas. You can listen. You can repeat. You can practice with me. We go step by step. Each sentence has a short explanation, a real-life example. Take your time. Relax. Let's begin. Feeling what is small talk. So first, what is small talk? Small talk is not deep. It is not serious. It is light conversation. For example, nice weather today. How was your weekend? We use small talk to break silence, feel comfortable, be friendly. We don't talk about politics, problems, heavy topics. We talk about weather, work, play, daily life. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. You only need simple phrases. Now, let's learn them. Some small talk about the weather. The weather is easy. Everyone talks about it. Here are 10 natural weather starters. Listen first. Then repeat. Lovely day, isn't it? We say this when the weather is nice. Now repeat. Lovely day, isn't it? It's really cold today. We say this in winter or early morning. Repeat. It's really cold today. Looks like it might rain. We say this when the sky is cloudy. Repeat. Looks like it might rain. Can you believe this heat? We say this on very hot days. Repeat. Can you believe this heat? It's been raining all week. We say this when rain continues many days. Repeat. It's been raining all week. Such strange weather lately. When weather keeps changing. Repeat. Such strange weather lately. Finally, some sunshine. After many cloudy days. Repeat. Finally, some sunshine. It's freezing out there. Very, very cold. Repeat. It's freezing out there. Feels like spring is coming. When weather gets warmer. Repeat. Feels like spring is coming. I didn't expect it to snow today. When snow is a surprise. Repeat. I didn't expect it to snow today. Good job, glowing star. Office building small talk at work. Small talk at work is important. It builds good relationships. Here are 10 work small talk starters. Busy day. Short and friendly. Repeat. Busy day. How's your project going? Shows interest. Repeat. How's your project going? Did you catch the meeting? About earlier meetings. Repeat. Did you catch the meeting? I could use another coffee. Means I'm tired. Repeat. I could use another coffee. Almost the weekend, huh? We say this on Thursday or Friday. Repeat. Almost the weekend, huh? Long day today. Work feels tiring. Repeat. Long day today. The office is quiet today. When fewer people are around. Repeat. The office is quiet today. Got any plans after work? Friendly question. Repeat. Got any plans after work? That was a long meeting. After meetings. Repeat. That was a long meeting. Nice to see you in person. After online work. Repeat. Nice to see you in person. Bus small talk in public places. Public places mean cafes, buses, shops, waiting areas. Here are 10 easy starters. Is this seat taken? The line is moving slowly, huh? Busy place today. I come here a lot. Great coffee here. Do you know what time it closes? Long wait today. This is my first time here. Nice place, isn't it? Do you come here often? Repeat slowly with pauses in podcast. House small talk with neighbors. Neighbors are people near you. Small talk is short and polite. Examples. How is everything with you? Your garden looks great. Lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Did you just move in? Let me know if you need anything. Friendly. Warm. Simple. Party popper small talk at social events. Parties. Weddings. Dinners. You can say, Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name? How do you know the host? Have you been here before? I love your outfit. The food is amazing, isn't it? You don't need to be funny. Just be kind. Airplane small talk while traveling. Travel time is perfect for small talk. Examples. Is this seat free? Do you know when we arrive? Long journey ahead. Do you travel often? Safe travels. Calendar small talk about the weekend. Weekend talk is very common. Examples. Got any plans for the weekend? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? I just relaxed at home. It went by so fast. Glowing star closing. And that's the end of today's episode. You learned 100 small talk starters. Short, natural, useful. Practice them slowly. Use them in real life. This is English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now, waving hand.